People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing as usual, people. Big up in yourself, Mr. People. So yo, the video that you just saw on your screen, people, was a goat thief. Yeah, the video that you just saw on your screen, people, it is reporting. The video that you just seen on your screen, people, it's been reported that a goat was stolen in Moran. It just said Moran, so I don't know if it's Moran Bay. A short while ago, it's a vehicle headed roundabout direction. So, people, here you have this goat tie up against some rocks or I don't know what. But you have this gentleman take the goat, like, yeah, I'm having laugh because I'm watching this video and I can't believe this real. Because I'm looking at it and I'm wondering, is somebody recording or is a CCTV video footage? But this happens to be somebody recording. So what it looks like is that this person approached the goat and was hiding behind the rock and the little bush. And to me, I'm assuming this because this is the only video I've seen. I'm assuming that the owners came out, saw it, saw what was happening, and started to record. But people, when I was growing up in Jamaica, I usually have me goat and me cow and pig. Me a country youth, people. I usually have me animals them. And one thing that I always do is me always wake up in the morning time, go tie out my goat them, and throughout the day me always go check back on them. It's not like me have a 9 to 5 in Jamaica where me have to just go tie out the goat them and left go out. No. Tying out the goat them and farming was my job. So as I said, when me tie out the goat them, me da check on them occasionally throughout the day. And anyhow me go back and see a goat missing, a problem, you know, people. People are dead. Me, I'll go find my goat before them put him in our pot. You see me? So this person here stood there. I can't the owner. I'm assuming this cannot be the owner, people, because there's no way the owner are going to stand up and watch them thief him goat. It's just not going to happen, people. It's not going to happen. This has to be somebody who know the owner for the goat and just want to show him footage. Because, people, you build a relationship with the goat, you know. You build a relationship with the goat that knowing, say, you one can kill a goat there. If you have him for dinner or whatever you're going to do. Nobody else is not supposed to thief your goat. You go eat your goat. You see me, people? And this man take up the goat, pull the goat, and put him in a car like a taxi man run. It's like a passenger and pick up. I'm going to throw the goat. I'm going to throw the goat in the car, people. It's like somebody have a funeral tomorrow or a setup or a 9 night, so they want a goat. So them just see a goat and take up a... Yo, people, may I try make sense of this situation. I'm trying to make sense of this because, as me say, there is no way I'm gonna come take up my goat, so me did it. And the man take it up and cut. You mad? Me I run down the car. I be a stone and reach that car there. I be a stone and reach that car there, people. Me not gonna lie. And the poor goat, you know, people. The poor goat look like him never even want to go inside of the car. Because him know say him not take taxi on a regular go home. Him wanna always come pick him up and walk him home. So them people, you know, take up a goat and put him in a car. Like a taxi them a run. And go and go put the goat in our pot now. Yo, that rough enough, people. Me not gonna lie. But people are saying in the comment section, I got this video from over Pinkwall, people, and me couldn't believe it. Me not believe say that somebody steal this goat. I must prank. It's a prank, people, because people just record anything for likes and views nowadays, you know. You see me? So people in the comments are actually saying maybe the person who was recording didn't approach because them think the guy that thief in the goat, maybe him have a weapon and him never want to approach him. There's only one way to find out. Take up a couple of stones and start stoning blow up. Yo, people, me not gonna lie now, a country youth, the first thing them a drop are some stone. Some stone are gonna reach that you them have to let go of goat and run same time. You're not gonna casually pick up the goat and walk to him car. But people, let me know when you think about this situation. Just watch the video, pre the video, and let me know when you think of it. Cause it don't look real at all. I can't believe say the man just casually come pick a goat up and put in a car like a one hand ready, one hand ready. Eh? No sir. Let me know when you think, people, cause this is I can't believe it. Take up my goat. You must be mad. No, sir. Just leave some comments, people. Let me know what you think. And remember to hit the subscribe button. And just talk to me, people, in the comment section. I want to hear what you would do if you walk out your house and see a man a thief your goat. Your fully grown goat now where you know say you are going to have your Sunday dinner sometime very soon and the next man come thief you. What you do if you walk out there and see them people? Let me know in the comment section. People, this is the most respectfulest goat thieving I've ever seen in my life, people. In a broad daylight. Normally when people are move with goat, them coming at night time come swipe your goat. Swipe or no swiping. You see me? Them type of things. But not in a broad daylight. Eh? No, sir, people. That one not real. Alright, people. Mad. Bless up.